Tatai Waterfall is a semi-natural site located in Tatai Village, Tatai Commune, Smachminchi District, about 20 kilometers east of Kokong provincial town along National Road 48. There are 84 families living in this area. They earn their living by fishing and hunting. Tatai Waterfall is a large rocky cascade located amidst a lush jungle setting in the Tatai River, Kokong Province. Although the waterfall flows all year, in the dry season it is possible to swim in the naturally formed pools at the bottom of the cascade, and due to the low flow of water it is possible to walk across the ledge. In the wet season the river flows in all its might and the waterfall is more spectacular with the enraged white foamed waters running over a fall 4 meters long. The waterfall has 2 stages. The first stage is 5 to 6 meters high, the second stage is 12 to 15 meters high. Tatai Waterfall was developed as a model site in Kokong to attract local and foreign tourists. Tatai Waterfall is also known as Tatai Waterfall. According to legend, a man named Tatai and his son went to the waterfall to fish because the waterfall was the joining point between fresh water and salt water. There was a storm and the resulting floods carried away Tatai's son. 4 or 5 days later, however, the boy was found at the same spot from where he disappeared. When Tatai questioned his son, the boy said, "There is someone who took me to a secret place, where he turned into a vampire and wanted to kill me. But suddenly Tatai, a hermit, appeared to save me and took me back." After hearing the story, Tatai and his wife believed that their son was saved by Tatai or Nik Sakhang, another main of hermit. Ever since then, the waterfall has been called Tatai Waterfall or Tatai Waterfall. How to get to Tatai Waterfall, Kokong. When driving east from Kokong along NH48, the first bridge you come to after about 20 kilometers spans the Tatai River, Stung Tatai. Set in a lushly forested gorge a bit upstream from the bridge, Tatai Waterfall is a thundering set of rapids in the wet season, plunging over a 4m rock shelf. In the dry season, when water levels drop, you can walk across much of the ledge and take a dip in the gently flowing river. The water is fairly pure, as it comes down from the high cardamoms, where there are very few human settlements. To get to the falls from Kokong, you can either take a moto. The turnoff from NH48 is a couple of kilometers west of the Tatai River Bridge. The water of the river is very clear as the source originates in the Cardamom Mountains where the human settlements are scarce. You can reach the waterfall by boat or by road, although if you take the boat, the whole trip to the waterfalls is very pleasant and you will see amazing scenery along the way. The trip from the Tatai Bridge to the waterfall takes about an hour, by slow boat.